Hello guys. How are you today? If you're interested in our content, please subscribe to the channel for more videos. In this part, we will discuss classification and regression. The next section will focus on practical applications. Classification is a supervised learning task where the goal is to predict a discrete, categorical label or class for a given input. There are two kinds of classification: binary classification, where the goal is to predict one of two possible classes or labels. Example: spam or not spam, positive or negative, cat or dog. Multi-class classification, where the goal is to predict among three or more distinct classes or labels. Example: cat, dog, or lizard, orange, apple, or pear. On the other hand, regression is a supervised learning task where the goal is to predict a continuous numerical value or a real-valued output. The output variable can take any value within a specific range. Example: house price prediction, stock price forecasting, predicting the temperature. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel.